Alright, how's it going, guys? Here we are at the house over at Mount Omney here in Brisbane, 11th of January 2018. My first little job for the year, as we are doing, it's only a little job. Here we have a 3 metre length of 75 by 75 by 5 mil all yellow post, and these guys just bought this place and they're already doing extensions to it because they've got some family coming over that need to go to university, so they've got 2 cousins or whatever coming over, and they're digging this section out to make 2 bedrooms through here. And we've got these 2 posts that have to be moved, and we have to strengthen that steel beam. So what we've got is 2 pieces of 200 C channel meeting here in the middle over the top of a post. You see that pencil mark right there? That's where the post is going. Okay, Frankie's just finishing off the hole because they're excavating all this to below concrete level. So there's concrete level there with the carpet on it. Okay, the concrete's got to be 150 mil or 100 mil thick, plus thickening beams. So we're going to below that level. Below that level is where where Frankie's standing right now. So we had to dig down to that first, and then dig the hole, which is another 700 below that to the bottom. So we've got a hole to fill with concrete once we put the post in. And of course, once he's finished there, we've got a $2 coin, as always, to pay forward. A $2 coin to go in the hole. So we'll do that in a little while. Because once again, as of, oh, good one, Frank. You shouldn't have that there. Okay, steel bites. A few select words you didn't hear then, but yeah, very good, Frank.
Bring myself when it comes to that.
But yeah, that's what we're up to. Very, very hot, or should I say humid? It's not so much. Yeah, it's still hot. It's 35 degrees under here. We've got a fan. Had to pick up a fan. You can see by the shirt on his back there, he's nearly wringing wet. Lucky he's got the fan. We couldn't survive. We had to go get the fans because it's just so humid under here. But yeah, that one's almost done. We get the concrete in that in the next hour, and that's our job for today. And then Saturday, it's Thursday today, we'll be back Saturday. I've got another job to be out tomorrow. We'll put those beams in on Saturday, take these 2 posts out, so that it's available for the excavator that's coming in, little 1.5 tonner, come in and dig all this out next week. We'll keep the builder happy. Alright guys, I'll do another one shortly, and then another one on Saturday. But yeah, talk to you soon. Thanks for joining in. See ya. Bye.